Hey, this is Jay, a student at Georgia State University. This is a demo for my project for my data structures class this semester. This is an application, or part of an application, that is used to translate speech to text as well as detect the individual who's speaking. It is supposed to plug into a chat application. So instead of each person who's involved in a chat typing in all of the messages and stuff, each individual can speak, and a single device that's running this program will be able to figure out who's talking at any given moment, as well as tie that information to the message. So it'll be perfect for things like Slack and that sort of thing. So I'll go ahead and get it started. Enroll new profile. Enroll new profile. TJ. So what's going on right now is it's listening to me as I talk in order to get a recording to send to the MS API, which is in charge of the speaker recognition. And the way that works is it runs it through various neural networks and that sort of thing to pick out the features of the voice so that when a new voice signature or recording is submitted, it'll be able to run that through the same neural network and pick out the features and determine how likely it is to be a certain voice profile. So you need about 1 minute in order for this to work, and so it should stop at exactly 1 minute from the start of me talking. And if it's still, the reason why it hasn't updated at all is because it's still waiting for the APIs to respond, which take about 20 to 30 seconds. So it completed recording, and now it was able to enroll my profile. Up next, I'll have my friend Christina, who's here with me, volunteering, actually run it so that we can compare if it's able to see the two different voices. So once this is done recording, she can run the command again.
Enroll new profile. Vic. Enroll new profile. Christina. So one of the ways to beat a 2-3 zone is to set up in a 1-3-1. It's the best formation to set up in offensively against the 2-3. Traditionally, this will mean your point guard at the top, your shooting guard and small forward on the wings, one big on the free throw line, and one big on the baseline. This formation is effective because it places your team in the gaps of the zone and forces the defense out of their ideal positions. When a player receives the basketball on the perimeter, there will often be a clear lane to the basket in front of them that they can attack. Being in the gaps of the defense can also confuse them as to who should guard the basketball, which can lead to open players all over the floor.
I wish I had more time to set up like a more intuitive interface, but this should be fine. Hopefully that's enough time for it to enroll. Please. Okay, so now that Christina and I are both and have our voice IDs enrolled, we can actually go ahead and start a conversation and hope that the program will be able to, when we say messages and stuff, actually determine who is the person speaking. So once this clears, I'll start a new command. Start new conversation. Start conversation. Sign into conversation, TJ.
Sign into conversation, Christina.
So now we're both signed into an active conversation, and the things that we say will be translated to text. And okay. All right, so my message just got sent, and Christina can go next.
So this is just a test to see if it recognizes me as opposed to user TJ. All right, cool. So that worked. That's pretty awesome.
Nice.
Dang it.
I mean that.
We gotta take that one out.
Yep. That's funny though.
Perfect.
Yep. So once it's done, stop conversation. Stop conversation. Stop application. Close application. And that is the program. Thanks for watching.